Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Fusion 360, Openscad, and Onshape. If you're getting into 3D modeling, engineering, design, or even 3D printing, you've probably come across these three very popular tools. And in this video, we're going to break it all down. What each tool is used for, its main features, the pricing and limitations, the pros and cons, and finally, which one is actually the best overall, depending on your needs. So let's get started. With Fusion 360, it is developed by Autodesk, and it is basically an all-in-one product design platform. And when I say all-in-one, I really mean it. Yes, it combines CAD, which is computer-aided design, CAM, manufacturing and CNC machining, CAE, which is engineering simulation, and even PCB electronics design. So instead of jumping between multiple software tools, Fusion 360 tries to keep everything in one ecosystem. Now, Openscad is completely different. Instead of dragging shapes or using a visual interface, you literally write code to build 3D models. Yes, this is CAD through programming. So instead of clicking cubes and cylinders, you define shapes using a scripting language and combine them mathematically. This makes Openscad extremely popular among engineers who like precision, also popular among programmers, 3D printing hobbyists, and people who want fully parametric control. The key idea here is Openscad is not a design tool, it's a modeling language tool. Everything is defined with logic, math, and functions. Now, Onshape is very different. It's a fully cloud-based professional CAD platform. That means no installation, everything runs in your browser, and you can design from almost any device. It was actually created by former SolidWorks engineers, so its workflow feels very professional and mechanical engineering focused. The biggest highlight is the real-time collaboration. Yes, it is designed for distributed teams. Multiple people can edit the same model at the same time, which is similar to Google Docs, but for computer-aided design. Now let us talk about the main features of each. For Fusion 360, it has full parametric 3D modeling, integrated CAD plus CAM plus CAE, CNC toolpath generation, simulation and stress testing, cloud collaboration and version control, and PCB electronics design tools. There's also generative design, which is AI-assisted optimization. How about the features of Openscad? It has code-based 3D modeling, fully parametric designs, Boolean operations. It is great for precision engineering models. It is ideal for 3D printing workflows and lightweight and open sourced. How about the features of Onshape? It's a full cloud-based CAD system. It has real-time collaboration, advanced parametric modeling, built-in version control. It works on any PC, and there are assembly design tools, and no installation is required. What is the pricing of these platforms like? For Fusion 360, there is a monthly plan at $57 per month. There's a Fusion for manufacturing plan at $170 per month, and a Fusion for design plan at $183 per month. For Openscad, it is completely free and open sourced. While for Onshape, there's also a free plan where you can sign up for free. There's a standard plan which is best for individuals, $1,500 per year. There's a professional plan at $2,500 per year as well. And there's an enterprise plan where you have to contact the sales department for a custom-made pricing. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? First, the pros. For Fusion 360, extremely powerful all-in-one tool, is great for engineering and manufacturing. It has industry standard workflow, is excellent for CAM tools and for CNC users. And the pros of Openscad is very lightweight. Its extremely precise parametric control is mind-blowing. It's perfect for repetitive or procedural designs and is great for 3D printing parts. And it's also good to know that it's free. How about the pros of Onshape? It works on any device, no installation is required. It has excellent collaboration tools and has a great version control system. What about the cons? For Fusion 360, it can become expensive. It requires internet for many features, and it can feel heavy on low-end PCs. There's also a slight learning curve for beginners. And the cons of Openscad? No visual modeling workflow, and there's slower iteration for beginners. And if you don't want to write code, you cannot use Openscad. And the cons of Onshape? It requires constant internet connection because it is cloud-based, and it can feel complex for beginners. So which one should you actually choose? Well, if you are a beginner or a hobbyist or someone who wants power and usability, Fusion 360 wins. If you are a programmer or a 3D printing enthusiast who loves automation, then Openscad wins. But if you are a student or a team working collaboratively, then Onshape wins. But overall, Fusion 360 is still highly balanced because it combines design and engineering and manufacturing in one platform. And when you're talking about modern features, you'll find that a lot on Onshape. However, both come at a cost of pricing and complexity. So there's no single best tool, only the best tool for your workflow. And that's it on the comparison of Fusion 360, Openscad, and Onshape. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore FreeCAD, SolidWorks, and Tinkercad. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.